Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Hey guys, welcome to this edition of Syndico's Bass. Today I'm heading to Chesbro. I want to see if these storms have affected these fish. Hope you enjoy it. Let's go see what these storms did to these fish. Don't know if it's going to be good or bad. Talked to one fisherman that didn't get a bite. I've dealt with that before. Fishermen say they don't catch anything, and I find some fish. Storm did not fill it up. My log has a bunch of beer cans next to it. I'm gonna go right in front of this rock. Try that area. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Caught on some of that good cover. Alright, let me try a little more in the corner. There we go. Carp just jumped. Carp are active, the bass are active. Always my philosophy. Try going even shallower. Alright, let me try even shallower. Who knows? Sometimes the rain will bring them in shallow. Alright, I'm going to go back and try the face of the dam. Alright. Try some of this face of the dam stuff. A little deeper. So much wood down there. Head a little further down the dam. Got the cross down there. This is a blessed lake. Such good chunky rock and wood. I cannot believe there's no fish on this. Oh. Oh, I think it broke me off. Yep. Felt it lock into a frickin' rock. I've scanned all the water I want to scan with the drop shot. That's what's been getting me bites here. Haven't really tried anything else yet. Sun's just about to go over the hill, and you know how this lake goes. All my fish for the last couple times I've been here is when that sun goes behind the hill. See if it happens this time. Gonna switch it up. Try the flicking. Black and blue. I'm gonna try watermelon red chartreuse laminate. Uh-oh. Oh, broke me off. Alright, drop shot till the end. Try out deeper. And I caught a fish. Yes. Out deeper. Yoo-hoo-hoo. Lake's not dead, they're just deeper. Yes. Look at that, guys, a little keeper. Had to go deeper. Got another one. Oh, I lost him. Yes. They're out here along the dam. Oh my God. I had another bite. Wow. I don't know what I found out here, but there's some fish on it. They're out there and they're deep. Oh, there we go. Oh, I missed him. Another bite in that same spot. It's like right here. Okay. Always put yourself some landmarks. I'm at the end of that. That log on the end of it, and I'm casting towards that house, somewhere right towards that house. So now I can come back here and fish the same spot. It's always good. Give yourself a reference. Oh, another fish. I didn't hesitate that time. I felt something and my line dropped, so I set the hook. Little guy this time, guys, but yeah. From nothing to something. Oh. Oh. Another. Oh, I'm snagged now. Had another fish, guys. Oh. Stole my worm. Oh, there we go. Another fish. Oh, I lost him. Oh. I've definitely found where the active fish are, guys. Right along the freaking dam. Oh, I'm coming back here on Saturday. I think this is a fish swim with it. Oh, yeah, it was. I think it's about go time. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this edition of Sunday Coast Bass. I'm liking Chesbro again. I think the storm did affect them. They were all sitting up in this corner where it's shallow. But I think maybe that storm pushed them a little deeper. That's why I found them there along the face of the dam, out deeper on all that chunky rock. It seemed like it was going to be a miserable day with no bites, but I turned it around. I decided to go a little deeper and I found fish. Hope you enjoyed it, and please join us for our next Sunday Coast Bass Fishing Show. Give us some likes and please sub if you haven't.
Here we go.